Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. So friends, today I got for repair. I just want to show you on Sony IV300 model. This is actually I received from one of my YouTube customer. He called me up and he sent it over here in Mumbai Mira Road, and this came from Kalyan. The owner of this home theater is working in railway. Anyway, so his complaint is it's not working, it's completely dead. He said like that it's not getting power on only itself. So this is the one, this is the serial number, this is the model and serial number, model number Sony HT-IV300. So I will connect it to the power first. I'll put it on now. I will switch it on now. I switch it on. See guys, there is no power. See, it's not getting on. Okay, let's remove it out. Open the cover. These two screw, 1 and 2, and here for 1, 2, 3, 4. Just we'll take it out all the 6 screws and we'll check it what's inside problem. So guys, I have already removed all the screws, so we'll just take it out. Oh my god. See guys, the dust. How much is the dust? You see the dust? Oh my god, the capacitor is blow off. See, capacitor is blow off. This is the high voltage capacitor for the amp board. I don't know about the amp IC. We need to check it out. So first let me clean out everything first inside the dust. See, this is the dust, everything. So we'll clean out with the blower, with the high pressure blower, air blower. So we'll clean out first and we'll check it out. See, the capacitor also busted. Anyway, we'll check it out first after cleaning only. Just keep watching my video. Air, brush and air. So now this is the condition. Okay, now all the dust has been removed out, completely clean now. So now we'll start working. First of all, we'll remove the power supply because we need to replace this capacitor. The value of this capacitor is 1000 mF 63 volt. So we'll replace this, and of course the fuse has blown off maybe, because I'm not sure, I didn't check it. Because the capacitor is very badly bursted, we'll check the fuse. Obviously fuse will blow off first because the high voltages get shorted. Anyway, we'll remove it out this one and we'll check step by step. Just keep watching my video. Just disconnect this everything. 2, 3. I already disconnected. So now we'll remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screw. We'll remove 5 screw. So guys, I have removed all the screws. So I have removed all the screws. See, the capacitor very badly busted. Backside is still good, so we need to check it out each and every point now. So keep this aside. So now we'll start working on this. So now we'll start. We'll take it out this first. The busted part. See guys, see how badly it is busted. So we'll remove fuse also. So guys, you have removed the fuse. It's blown off fuse. So now we'll check the each and every part. So rest of the thing we'll check. This is the rectifier. Is there any shorting? There's no short in the rectifier. This is good. I kept on this diode range. Now I kept on the diode range. See guys, good. No shorting. So there is no shorting. Now this is the MOSFET. This is the N-channel MOSFET. Just check whether it is shorted or not. I'll kept on the buzzer range. There is no shorting, only charging and discharge. So guys, MOSFET also good. So now what we'll do, my friends, we'll just replace the capacitor and fuse and we'll put it on. Just keep watching my video. So friends, I got 6.3 ampere and one capacitors, old one, 63,000 mF 63 volt. We'll put these two. So guys, I already put capacitor. Now we'll put the fuse also in this. So guys, I replaced the fuse with the new one, 6.3 ampere fuse and one capacitors, the 1000 mF 63 volt. I checked the MOSFET over here. This is also good. So we'll see any shorting is there near the capacitor here. There is no shorting, my friend. Discharge it is just. So I thought maybe it is discharge only. It's okay. So rest is okay now. There is no shorting over here. So now what we'll do, we'll fix it back in the system, then we'll check. So friends, now we'll fix this back. So we'll put it and we'll check. So guys, I already fixed it, all the 5 screws. So now we'll put it on. I will check what's the shoe. So whenever after repairing SMPS, just check in series. Don't connect it directly. First check it in series. So I'll put it on now. So put it on. It's come hello. So we'll put it on. It's running, guys. See guys, it's running. So like this, I thought the problem was only the capacitor and the fuse blown up because of this one. So now we'll check it out, the audio output also in this. Now it is detecting now. It's on Bluetooth. So guys, it is now, see, its volume up and down is working. See guys, it's working, ready. Audio, function, FM, everything is working now. See guys, so now we'll connect to the Bluetooth. We'll connect the Bluetooth and check the audio output sound speaker, the sound is coming or not. See guys, I connected to the Bluetooth, it's working. So now we'll check the output. I don't have the original speaker because the customer didn't give me original speaker. He said the original speaker is with him. So we'll check only the output from here. One, two, subwoofer. So guys, all the 5 speakers are working. So guys, it's working fine now. Only the problem we found is capacitor blow off and the fuse was blow off. So hey guys, if you like my video, friends, like it, share it. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it, and do not forget to press bell button so that whenever I upload new video you will receive immediate notification. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.